Hey guys, welcome to our brand new episode of our financial videos where we share content that will make you financially free. You see, sometimes getting the technicalities of whatever that we do over here looks a little bit scary, but it's not scary. For instance, our last video, I tried my best to hit basic features and people were like kind of confused, but it's not confusing. Just take your time, go through the apps, whether you have Coinbase, whether you have blockchain, whether you have the Binance app, and just try it. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. We've been cultured in a way that we are told to go to school, make a good grades, and find a job. And at the end of the day, that is how it is. Get married, have a kid, and this money pays us. And when this money pays us, what we do is that we pay bills out of it, pay our kids' fees, bills, light bills, utility bills, whatever it is, and all that. And if you don't take time, you are going to do that till you die. And that is what we call the rat chase. The right time, I'm going to tackle the rat chase on the platform so that you guys get an overview about this monetary system, how it works. So in order not for you to fall into these traps, like being into rat chase and all that, and you find yourself dead, that is why I purposely put upon myself to teach my subscribers and my followers ways and means to make money the legitimate way, not being a scam, but a real life case study that I have tested and I am giving out to you guys for free. And I think all that I need you guys to do is to subscribe to the channel and try to watch the videos from the beginning to an end, because each and every time, whatever that I talk about, no matter how serious I get, no matter how playful I get, I try to give certain keys that it can make your life as easy as possible. And that is the purpose of our channel. Today, I want to open your eyes on something. Facebook is really paying, you understand? And I want you guys to focus on that. Facebook is really paying. If you are my follower, try to enter into the social media space. Try to enter into the social media space, because there are a lot of money going up and down, and it is better for you to start now than later. So stay tuned and let us talk about money making Facebook money. Peace out. Sometimes I ask myself, why do people come online and make all those ranting, all those talking, all those shouting on Facebook and all that? Why do people waste their time on Facebook, especially in Ghana? Yeah, you can see people, so-called celebrities, setting up beefs and all that, coming on lives and all that. You understand? There are certain things, there are certain secrets behind it. And I tell you for a fact that people don't come online to just come and disgrace themselves. People don't come online as you may think that they have something on their chest to say. That is not it. There's a business behind it. There's a business behind Facebook. That is the main reason why you see everybody on the platform making noise, making content, setting up a beef, creating scenes, setting trends and all that. Because at the end of the day, the more content you do, the more followers you get, the more streamings that you get, Facebook in returns what pays you. That is why you can see, you can name them. my Ghana people, you can name our Ghana celebrities that today you see this guy fighting with this guy, you see this lady fighting with this lady, you see people being in the States fighting people in Ghana and ranting. There is something that is there, and today I want us to talk about it. You get it? Now, we have a requirement that you will have to meet, that you'll be eligible to monetization on Facebook. And first of all is the instant article. I don't know whether you know about that, but I want my followers to also be enjoying that streams. The moment you have close to 300 followers, Facebook gives you the access to make money on their platform, which is called the instant article. What does it do? With the instant article, you are asked to make content, write stories, write articles. And when you write articles and people get to read them, you are what? Paid for it. You understand? You are what? Paid for it. You understand? That is the sole concept about the instant article monetization. And it doesn't require so much of you when you hit the target of 300 followers. You understand? The moment you reach 300 followers, you are asked to start having those kind of instant article where you can post, you can do whatever you want to do and all that together. Now, there's one more thing. As your followers grow, you have to reach certain amounts too, which is more like YouTube that has the subscriptions. Like you have to get like 1,000 subscribers before you are being paid. Facebook has a requirement that you have to reach about 10,000 followers. The moment you try your best to reach 10,000 followers, you are solely eligible to certain the monetizations on the platforms. Then whatever that you post will become monetizable. That is why people try their best to rant and rant and rant and rant, because at the end of the day, whatever that you have to do, whatever that you want to do, whatever it takes is being monetizable. Like for instance, if you probably be making content and you have 10,000 followers, Facebook will add your advertisement to your videos that you'll be watching. So if for instance, if I am watching coded verified Facebook account, whatever they will post, the advertisement that come in between their streams are being what monetizable. There are certain watch hours. The moment you reach that watch hours, you are being able to what enjoy varieties of money streams on your account. So I don't want to make this video that very long. I just want you guys to know that Facebook is really paying. Instead of you to use your phone for watching other people's content that you don't make money out of it, I am not saying don't go and watch content on your Facebook pages or whatever it is, but I think it will be nice for you to, as a youth, to also start creating your own platform that you can earn some kind of income streams, maybe make money out of it or whatever it is, because there are a lot of opportunities on there, and it is not easy as it is, because there are certain things that you need to get before you get there. For instance, as I told you, you need to get certain amount of followers, which is required of you, about 10,000 followers, for you to get ad streams in your page, and you will need certain amount of watch hours for people to for Facebook to also put you to another level of monetization and all that. So today I am trying to make my video short, not to make it lengthy as it is. At the right time, I will teach you guys into details how the Facebook mechanism really works and how it is paying and what is the requirement that we need and all that, into full details. But for now, I want you to get an overview that Facebook pays and how they pay. They have certain requirements. They require you to reach maybe 200 followers, 1,000 followers for you to get access to certain ad streams, certain monetizations. And when you reach 10,000 followers, you are given a certain amount of a level of monetization, which will help you earn more. So first, when you get maybe, for instance, 200 followers and upwards, you are given a first monetization stream, which is called an instant article. And secondly, when you go ahead and ahead and ahead and ahead, and you get about 10,000 followers too, you are given another level of monetization that you earned, and it allows you to add your bank account information into the Facebook system that you are being paid. You understand? So more like Instagram paying, Facebook too is also paying. Now somebody will ask that why would they want to pay you? Now you see there are a lot of advertisements, you understand, companies and all that pays Facebook to advertise for them, and they believe that people that have followers, people that have content, people that have this influence on Facebook have a lot of followers. So the best way for people to get to see their advertisement are through their their content. So for instance, I might be posting content on Facebook that maybe my followers love it, and what they do is that because my followers love those contents, Facebook will put specific related ads on my videos, and when people watch said videos, I am giving commissions on my videos. That is why it is required of you to watch. It is required of you to have mechanisms. It is required of you to have certain amount of followers, certain amount of watch times and all that for you to qualify to be able to make your account monetizable. There are a lot of people that have about 10,000 followers, 20,000 followers and all that are not making good use of Facebook. There are a lot of people that are not aware that there are certain mechanism that is going. People think that when they see celebrity beefing on social media, coming live to talk about whatever is on their chest, back and forth and all that, it's just a mere fight. No, they are being paid through their time spent on Facebook. And I think that I will encourage you guys to try to use Facebook to earn some kind of income stream. My next time that I'll meet you guys, I'll be handling and tackling into details what the overview about Facebook and how it is paying. Go to our previous videos that we talked about how to make money on Facebook with Rima, and it was amazing. So stick around, and next time we meet, I will go into full details about how to make money on Facebook.